Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introducing me. My name is Siti Mahmudah. I'm a student of Accounting Education Class B, and my student ID is 2407110093. Today I will read a news report titled Israel Kills More Journalists Than Any Nation on Records, Media Watchdog, published by Al Jazeera, discussing the ongoing Israel-Palestine conflict and its impact on press freedom. Israel killed at least 84 media workers and journalists in 2025, for more than any other country in what was the deadliest year on record for the news media. The Committee to Protect Journalists, or CPJ, released the findings on Wednesday in its annual report and pointed to a persistent culture of impunity for attacks on the press by Israel military. A total of 129 media workers were killed in 2025, the highest figure since the watchdog group began keeping records in 1992. Israel was responsible for more than two-thirds of the death toll. Most of the media workers Israel killed were Palestinian, but Israeli airstrikes also killed 31 staff in Yemeni newspaper offices, the CPJ said. Israel was overwhelmingly responsible for targeted killings, which the CPJ classifies as murder, carrying out 38 of 47 deadly incidents recorded globally by the organization. Israel has now killed more journalists than any other government since CPJ began collecting records in 1992, it said in a statement. It cautioned that the true number of journalists targeted and killed by Israel could be much higher, because some of the killings could be potentially concealed by press restrictions and humanitarian difficulties that complicate conducting investigations during Israel's genocidal war on Gaza. With much contemporaneous evidence now destroyed, the true number of Palestinian journalists in Gaza who were deliberately targeted by Israel may never be known, the CPJ said. Deadly smears. The rights group listed 5 Al Jazeera journalists as having been murdered in Israeli attacks, including Anas al-Sharif and 3 others killed by an Israeli strikes on a journalist tent in Gaza City. It also names Line Al Jazeera Mubashir correspondent Hossam Shabat as among those targeted. In total, since the start of the war, Israel has killed nearly 3,000 journalists and media workers, according to Shirin, a monitoring website named after veteran Al Jazeera correspondent Shirin Abu Akleh, who was killed by Israeli forces in the occupied West Bank in 2022. Israel has acknowledged killing some journalists while accusing them of having ties to armed groups, claim rejected by their employers and criticized by the CPG as deadly smears. Outside Gaza and Yemen, the most attack that killed journalists in 2025 occurred in Sudan, which is in the throes of a civil war, and Mexico, which has been swept by violence linked to organized crime. 9 journalists were killed in Sudan and 6 in Mexico. 4 Ukrainian journalists were also killed by Russian military attacks, the CPJ report said. That's it, the end of the news reading. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this report helped us better understand the challenges faced by journalists in conflict areas. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.